You're welcome. So today we will be going ahead with dictionaries. We have learned how to create a dictionaries and to get the values from the dictionary. So today our basic thing that we will be learning is that dictionaries are mutable. So dictionaries are mutable. Dictionaries are mutable means I can mutate or change the dictionaries. So for this case, my first job is to create a dictionary, create a dictionary. Then after that, what will I be doing? My second job would be to modify a dictionary by how I can either modify item or I can modify value. Modify value. Okay. So we will be going ahead and also I will be seeing to delete the option of deleting. These are the things that we will be going ahead and we will be working on this. So first and foremost, let us create a dictionary as we had done previously. So I had created a dictionary, dict1 is equal to, which is equal to 1 ONE 2 3 4 5. So this is 5. Let's take here. So I've entered it. So now I can always get the items here. I can display the items. So here are the items that I have, each and every item. Now, one more thing, I can get the length of this particular. So if I have to get the length of this particular dictionary, I can always go for this. This is the length of dict1 will give me the length of the particular dictionary. So I have got 5 items in this particular dictionary. Okay. Now coming to, if I want to add a new item, so I want to add a new item to the dictionary, then what I will be doing, I will be having dict1. I am going to add, so dict1 of, let me add 6. Let me add, we have till 5, I will be adding 6. So dict1 of 6 is equal to, dict1 of 6 is equal to SIX. Okay, so I enter. Now again I will, so I can say dict1 dot items, if I want to get, you will find that 6 is also being placed here. So 6 is also placed as one of the item over here. So this is how I go on appending the dictionary with various items. Next, coming to modify an existing. So here I worked with appending it, and now I'm going to modify it. So modify a value. So how will I modify the value? So let me say modify a value. Okay. Modify a value. So if I want to modify a value, what am I doing? So dict value of, say, 1, I want to modify it not as 1 but mono. Say I want to put it as mono. So if I want to put it as mono, sorry, there was it. Dict1 of 1 is equal to mono. So this is the thing. So here I have it. So it is mono. Now if I want to display the item, items, if I want to display the items, you see 1, the value of 1 has become mono. It was earlier 1, now it has become mono. Okay, so here is how I'm going to modify the values of keys. And next, I can even go ahead and I can even go ahead and find out if particular value is present in the dictionary or not. So whether it is in the dictionary or not, I can always find out whether this particular value is an item of the dictionary. So whether this particular value is an item of the dictionary, how do I find out? Okay. All right. So maybe it was somewhere else. Anyway, so whether it is in the dictionary or not, so what I will be going ahead, I will be going ahead and finding out whether the particular key is present in the dictionary or not. Not the values, but the key present in the dictionary. So what I will be going ahead and do, so if I say for in dict1, if I give this, see 4 is present in dict1, so it is giving me a value as true. Now, if I say 8 in dict1, it will give me a value as false. 8 is not there in dict1. If I say 4 not in dict1, so 4 not in dict1, no, 4 is in dict1, so not in is absent. Whether 4 is absent in dict1, it is setting me false. Whereas if I say 8 is absent or not in dict1, it will give me true. Okay, so this is whether this particular key is present or they are a member of this particular dictionary. Next, coming to how do you go ahead and traverse? How do you go ahead and traverse a dictionary? So how do you go ahead and traverse a dictionary? Traversing in a dictionary is using a for loop. So I'm coming to the first method. So we have the dictionary and I can always see for key in dict1, for key in dict1, I am going to do what? I'm going to have a loop. It is print. I'm going to print. So I will be printing the key. I will be printing the key, which will be concatenated with a is2 symbol, and after that I will go ahead with the value. So dict one of key. Alright. So I will be going ahead with this as my. So I will enter. So you see, this is the value I am getting. So 1 mono 2 2. I'm getting in this way. So this is how I will be traversing. Okay, fine. So this is one of the methods I will be going ahead, or I can always call the value function and try ahead showing the values. So I can say for key, comma, value in dict1 dot items. So if the value is in dict1, so value in dict1 items. Okay. Now for this for loop, what I'm going to do, I'm going to print the same thing, key, comma, rows, comma, and I can directly put here values. So values in dict1 items. Okay. So you will find another, sorry, it is value, not values. The best thing here is I can copy paste this particular lines instead of typing it, and I can edit it. It will be value. So I can go ahead. Let's say dot one it became, so it's dict1, sorry. So this is dict1. Dict1. So you have it as this values. So we went ahead how to modify the values and how to traverse. Now we also will be going ahead. We can, to get the value of any key, we can use get. So if I use dict1 dot get 3, I will have it as THREE. Then we can append by update. I can update dict1 or on the dictionaries. So say I have another, I'm creating another dict2, which is equal to, say, 8 octo, comma, 9. Okay, fine. So this is, sorry, dict2 equal to, a lot of typos that are happening, 8 octo, and 9. Okay, so I have this dictionary and I want to update the dictionary. Now, when I want to update the dictionary, then what will happen? I can always update. So how it is, dict1, I can have dict1, and I am updating it with dict 2. So once that is done, then if I want to get dict 1, you can see I am having 6, then 8 octo and 9, 9. I'm having that. Okay, 9, 9. Next for deleting, if I want to delete any particular key, then I can always use del dot dict 1, del dot dict 1. I can, if I want to say delete 1. Okay, so I will always put this 1 over here. Enter. Dict 1 of 1. So enter. I'm having it here. Now if I want to see dict 1, I can see, you see 1 is not there. It starts from 2. So this. And now if I want to delete all the items of the dictionary, then the command is clear. The command is clear. So what I will be doing, I'm going to clear. So dict 1 dot clear. If I do dict 1 dot clear, then it is going to clear. Now if I go for dict 1, you will find that there are no values in it. So herein, as I was stating, we have already worked on all these cases. We know we created a dictionary, so we modified. So we modified an item, we modified a value. So this we appended an item, we modified values. We also deleted one particular item, or we actually cleared the whole dictionary. So all of these were done. So thank you.